Okay guys, welcome back. Today we are doing something totally different. This is where my expertise really came in. I've got over 40 years of experience in design work and building homes and kitchen cabinets. I am really by trade a custom cabinet maker and designer. I've studied drafting and design work, and I know all the little things that you need to know. And I'm going to save you a lot of money today by showing you how to design your own kitchen, okay? This will save you thousands, and you can do this very easily. Rudimentary process. We're going to go back to white paper and a pencil. Okay? All right. So first thing I'm going to show you today is what I've done so far. So far as I've drawn out and used a basic pencil, not a mechanical pencil or anything like that. And I've drawn this. Now I'm outside, so it's a little windy today. We're in the Philippines also, and it's a little hot, but it's windy now, so it's nice. Okay, so what I have here is a scale. And the scale I use is 1/4 of an inch equals 1 foot. And if you don't understand that, well, look it up, guys, because it's exactly what it means. It's 1/4 inch on here means 1 foot in actual length. Okay, so this is our scale. So here we have the base cabinets that I drew all in here in a line. Okay, now this is not your kitchen, all right, but this is going to give you an idea of how to design your kitchen. What we have here are, we use these, basic manufacturers use these in manufactured cabinets. Now I'm a custom cabinet maker, but I use these as a standard also because it gives you the measurement. So here we have a SB 36. That means sink base 36. Here we have a base 24, a base 18. Here we have a base 30 inch and a base 12. And this one is DB 18. So that means a drawer base. Okay, so this would be a set of drawers, and they're 18 inches wide. Okay, here we have a pantry, 36 by 84, which is 7 feet high. Okay, so it's 36 inches wide, and it goes up to the ceiling, from the floor to the ceiling. Well, not to the ceiling, but 7 feet high. Okay, next we have a drawer base 15. We have a base 15. This DW means dishwasher. So this gives you a space when you design for a dishwasher. Here's another one, 30 inch. Now this is a space for your oven. Now they have 36-inch ovens, they have 42-inch ovens, they have bigger ovens, so it depends on what you're going to use as your appliances that you will need to add in. Okay, so if you have a 30-inch, that's standard. Now you can go with a bigger oven, then you just add the inches. If it's 36, then you put 36 in for the space for the oven. Now you have a 30-inch fridge. Now that's a standard also, 30-inch. But now we have the Sub-Zeros. More people are using Sub-Zero, which is 36, 42, 48, as much as 48 inches, I think. I don't think they have a fridge bigger than that, but I haven't been into design work for a long time, so I don't know what appliances are out there now. So anyway, design is according to the size of your fridge, your oven, all right? Your dishwasher is always going to be 24, I believe, all right? Now, the other thing they put in kitchens, which I didn't put in here, is a trash compactor. Now, trash compactors are, I think they're 18 inches. I'm not sure, but you can get the specs for your trash compactor if you do one. Here we have a corner base, okay, CB 36 by 36. That means this point from here to here is 36. This point from here to here is 36 inches. Here is 24, and here is 24, and this is 12 and 12. Okay, this makes up your corner base. Now you can use it for corner shelving or a Lazy Susan. It can be an LS 36, which would be Lazy Susan. So if you want a Lazy Susan, you just change it to Lazy Susan. All right, and you can insert a Lazy Susan inside of this or put shelves. All right, now what we're doing here is these are our upper cabinets. Okay, and what you'll see is they're narrower because they're only 12 inches. All right, so these are 2 foot wide. This is a ½ inch, measures a ½ inch from here to here. So that means it's 2 feet because our scale again is 1/4 equals 1 foot. And here we have the upper cabinets. Okay, so now these upper cabinets are 1/4 inch, which means 12 inches in depth. Okay, so you have a wall 36 inches long, you have a wall 24 inches, you have a wall 18, a wall 30, wall 12, wall 18, wall 36, and here you have a wall 15, another wall 15, wall 24, wall 30, wall 30, wall 36, and this is a corner wall cabinet here. Again, it's simple or similar, but not exactly the same as the corner base cabinet. This is a diagonal corner wall cabinet, so that means this is at an angle here, so your door would go here, or you can make it at at an angle like this, the same as this if you want to, and you just tell your builder, or if you're ordering stock cabinets from a manufacturer, then this would go across here like this, okay? That would be square. You can have a Lazy Susan in these, but I love the diagonal corner. I don't like the square corners, even here, but in the base it's more practical to go with this, okay, than it is to go across like that. Anyway, but it's your taste, your design, if you do so. Okay, so this is where we're at now. So what are we going to do with this, you ask? Okay, it's simple. We're going to cut all these parts out one by one. So I'm going to take the scissors and I'm going to cut each one out, okay, like this. And then when I get them all cut, I'm going to come back to you and show you what I'm going to do with these. All right, so I will be back in a second with another layout to show you. What you'll need is the exact dimensions of your kitchen, your room size. Okay, we're back now here, and what we have now is I've cut out some of these. You can see here we have these units cut out as individual cabinets. These are what they are, and they're scaled true to what you're going to use. Okay, so this is your little mini kitchen layout, and here what I've done is I've designed 12 by 14. So this wall here is 12 feet long, this wall here is 14 foot. I put a window, this is a window, in the center of the kitchen on this wall here. Okay, now you have a doorway here. Now your kitchen, of course, the walls are going to vary, the lengths of the room and the widths of the room. Okay, so anyway, but to give you an idea of what you're going to do is this exactly. Okay, now this has to go into the corner of one side here or one side here, or you can put one in both sides. Okay, all right, so now you have the corner base in, and this here is going to be a window. So what we want here, and should be morning sun. Morning sun should be coming in your kitchen, okay, and in the evening your living room should be with the sun setting. So that's how you design and you structure your house, or you put your house in line with different things like that. Okay, so here we have now the window, and what I want is I want a sink base under the window. So when I'm washing dishes, I can look out, and my wife can look out, your wife can look out at whatever scenery there is outside while she's washing dishes. So normally we always put a window, or the sink base there with the window. And of course, okay, now you have your sink base here. So what do you have to have next to that? Well, you have one choice, okay? You have to have the dishwasher. If you're going to put a dishwasher in, it has to go to one side of the sink or the other. So this is what you do. You can put the dishwasher in on one side, this side, or you can put it in on the other side, okay? Now you see how your things are starting to line up. So we have our dishwasher on this side, and we have our sink in the center of the window, all right? Now we also have wind here today, so and I'm outside, it's a little warm. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is, what do I want here? Do I have 30 inches? Do I have? Yeah, I believe I have 30 inches. Okay, so now I can put a 30-inch base in there. I have the corner base here, 30-inch base there. These are a little bit bad. You can make yours a little bigger too if you want. You can use a 1/2 inch to equal 1 foot, and then your layout will be a bigger layout than mine. Okay, but now you can see what you're doing. You have the corner base, the base 30, sink base, dishwasher. Now I want to put a drawer base in, and I'm going to put the drawer base here right next to the dishwasher, because we have to have silverware. We're going to be pulling out silverware and everything else out of the dishwasher. So I want to be able to throw my silverware right into the drawer base. So that's what I'm going to put there. Now at the end of it, what do I have? I don't know. Do I have room for a refrigerator? Maybe, maybe not. Okay, let's say we don't have. All right, so let's put the refrigerator over here on this side. All right. And the other thing we're going to keep in mind is when we're designing this, we want to make a working triangle. A working triangle like this, okay? So you want your appliances to be in a triangle so it's easy to get to and not far from each other. So you have your fridge here, you have your sink base here, and then what? You have your oven, okay? So you can have your oven here, and then you have a triangle, but that's not really much of a triangle. But anyway, you keep them close. Also, if you want to put in an island, but you want to make sure you keep your distances here 3+ feet. Easy between the cabinets, okay? Now, if you have enough room for an island, you can throw your island in the middle, all right? Now you can also put an oven in here, which makes it really nice. So you can have your 30-inch oven in here. That's standard, like I said before, but you can go with a bigger oven. People go with commercial ovens and everything else. So now you have your triangle like this: sink base, oven, refrigerator. And it's very simple, not a lot of walking spaces. It's quick. You go from here to here to here, and that is what you're going to be doing mostly in your kitchen. Okay, so now what else do we need? Oh, we want a pantry unit. Okay, so let's put a pantry unit next to the fridge. Now the pantry unit is going to go all the way up to the ceiling, or not up to the ceiling, but 84 inches high. It's 3 feet wide by 84 inches, and it'll have pull-out shelves and doors and everything in it. So this will cover up the whole side of the fridge. And on the fridge, when you put that to that, you're going to have your diagonal corner wall cabinet. This will be your upper. So we'll stop the cabinets here, okay? Because this is usually an end point, the pantry unit. You can always add more if you want. If you need more cabinet space, you can put another cabinet over here, and we do it. We do it. That's a drawer base 18. So then you have more countertop space, because there's no countertop here and here. The countertop is going to be here, and it's going to be here to here, down to here, okay? So we need to fill in this space still here. So we need what? What do we need? 18, probably, base 18. If you're looking at manufactured cabinets, you're also going to deal with fillers. They're going to have fillers in there, and the fillers are not what I like, but custom made. If you do it custom made, you can have any size, and it fits perfect. It all goes in, no fillers, and your kitchen is custom made. Okay, so on the other side of the oven, we're going to want to put a base 15, and I want to put another base 15 here, but I don't have another base 15, so I would have to draw up another little piece here to put on this side of the oven. And then on the back side, we're going to put a panel, so this unit will all be enclosed. There'll be countertop on both sides of the oven. For workspace, you can have a peninsula out here, or I should say an overhang for an eating area. You can make this an island bar next to the oven. Okay, so this is the idea of what you have now. You understand? And you can change this any way you want to before you draw all of it out, and then you erase it. You say, oh, I don't like that drawer base there. I want a bigger drawer base. I want a B18. So we change this to a drawer base 18, okay? And then we take this away and we put this space over here on this side if we want, excuse me, which is a drawer base also. So now you have a base 15 on one side, and you have a drawer base on 15 on the other side. This is uniform, and it's very nice, okay? It's going to give it a very nice style. All right, so we'll just put in a different cabinet here, maybe like a 24-inch we have, or a 30-inch. A 30-inch will fit in there, but I don't have another 30-inch. Excuse me. I have a 30-inch fridge, and I use the 36-inch fridge here. So we could downsize that. We could change this, and we could put the fridge over here if we wanted to, because if we use just a 30-inch, then we have enough room for the 30-inch fridge. You see? So then we could take the 36-inch fridge out, and we could put cabinets in there and have more countertop space next to that. And the wind just blew my fridge away. All right, so here we go. There's the fridge. All right, and then we'll put back in here, we put our base 24, and we have a B12, which we can put in. I would recommend putting next to the Lazy Susan, okay, a drawer base 12, and then a B24, and then the pantry unit we have there. Okay, so now you can see your layout, and I've changed it. All right, so you can do anything you want to do with it. Okay, so anyway, I've lost my, okay, this is a corner wall cabinet. Okay, this is a corner wall cabinet here I have, and I'm going to put it right here, and this is the uppers. So it will not go right on top. It's just layout right now. Okay, so you can lay out your all your base cabinets first, and then you do your uppers, because everything is going to go in line with your base cabinets. So all your upper cabinets will line up to your base cabinets. Okay, so you have the wall corner cabinet there, 24. What you want here is a 30 plus 12, that's 42 inch. That's going to be 42 inches to the sink base. Okay, so we don't have a 42 incher in here, so you're going to use a 12 and a 30 to line up. So we would put a 12-inch upper cabinet there, which what I cut, and then a 30, you see, and then that lines up. So this is what I will do. I'll cut that real quick. Do I have my scissors? No, I don't. Okay, well, I don't have the scissors. Anyway, these are the layout. Okay, so you can see I would put over here, I would put a 12-inch or 12-inch. So I would put a 24 there and a 24 here, or 148 unit. If it's custom made, I would put a 48-inch unit there and have about 3 doors on that, and it would butt up into the pantry. And then over here we're going to have a door base 18. Okay, no uppers. Usually we don't put uppers over the oven. You can put an oven mount vent hood if you want to. Okay, so here we have no uppers over the sink. We put a valance maybe sometimes if we have a soffit, which means the cabinets go up to the soffit. And here you're going to have 24-inch cabinet on the wall, and you're going to have an 18, and then this one is going to be a 15 by 30 inch. Okay, so it's going to be a smaller cabinet. Now your upper cabinets are going to come in different lengths and different heights. Okay, we have a 30 inch as standard for a manufactured cabinet. They also have 33 inch. Okay, so they have a 33 inch height here that you can use, 30 inch, and they also go to 36 inch. All right, so you have a 36 inch here. Okay, now other custom cabinets you can have different. What this is it goes up higher on the wall or the ceiling, or further down the soffit. Okay, so the higher your cabinet is, the less space you have underneath your base cabinets. Okay, so that's what it looks like, rough draft. Here's your dishwasher. Okay, anyway, so you have a sink here, and well, you're not going to do that because the sink is there with there'll be a window here, and there will be no cabinets over the sink but a valance. All right, so I'm drawing a lot of things for you right now. Later I will do a full layout of a kitchen. I will show you. Okay, you can go to anybody who's got a computer program and lay it out. Many of these hardware store companies, you can take the dimensions in and they can lay out the kitchen for you. But I'm doing it on my own. I don't want to pay anybody, and I don't buy manufactured cabinets. I never have, never will. Custom is much better than a manufactured kitchen, and you can see the difference when you have one next to the other one. Wood Mode is a big name. I don't want to cut it down, but the only thing Wood Mode has going for it is its finish. It is a beautiful finished cabinet on the outside, but the inside is all particle board. And I suggest you guys beware of particle board, okay, because it's garbage. I'm sorry. So anyway, we're going to stop here for now, and in my next thing, if you have any questions, please let me know. Okay, please subscribe and let me know if you can. Anyway, I'm trying to do this really quick. I hope you understand what I've done today with these little things. You know, it's a very cheap way to do it. You don't have to pay anybody, and you can see what you've done. Okay, so I'm gonna go now, and please subscribe and like, and I'll see you soon with another video. Okay, have a good day, guys.